From years 10 to 20, the capybara begins adjusting to warmer climates and expanding suburbs, with shorter, patchier fur and slightly smaller feet for navigating dry urban surfaces. By years 20 to 30, its eyes enlarge and nostrils elevate, adaptation for breathing and seeing in flood-prone canal systems. In years 30 to 40, the feet widen and webbing thickens, while toenail shortens, making it more efficient at swimming through engineered waterways. From years 40 to 50, the skin darkens and thickens for resist pollutants and UV radiation, and the fur grows smoother and more water repellent. During years 50 to 60, its body mass reduces, leaving a leaner, slimmer form better suited for conserving energy and moving through compact city habitats. By year 60 to 70, ears elongate and becomes more mobile for detecting mechanical sounds, while a small tail stub becomes more defined. From year 70 to 80, the face sharpens and grows more symmetrical, allowing expressive interaction with humans and machines in managed habitats. In years 80 to 90, the limbs elongate and feet become more flexible, enabling it to travel across both artificial and natural terrains. Finally, by years 90 to 100, the capybara is sleek and semi-aquatic with glossy fur, wide-webbed feet, elevated eyes and nostrils, and a lean, expressive body perfectly adapted for synthetic wetlands and human-integrated ecosystem. That's all. Thank you!